In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Excel. So this is really easy to do, and the first step is we want to select the rows or columns which we want to freeze. So you can hold Ctrl on your keyboard and you can drag like this with your mouse. So I selected the first 11 rows. Now I'm going to hold Ctrl again and I'm going to select the first 3 columns which I want to freeze. And now the most important step is that we want to select the first cell between those selected rows and columns. So it's going to be this 78. So I'm going to hold Ctrl on keyboard and I'm going to click on it. So I selected this cell. And this means that all rows above this cell will be locked and all columns to the left will be locked also. So to freeze them now, we want to go to View at the top and you want to choose Freeze Panes, then Freeze Panes. And now you can unclick and this is going to freeze your selected rows and columns. So now if I scroll, you can see that the 11th row is frozen and I can drag it like this. And also the columns are frozen too. So if I zoom a little bit, you can see that if I drag this bar to right, that the first 3 columns are frozen. And if you want to unfreeze this, you just want to go to Freeze Panes again and unfreeze panes. And this is going to unfreeze everything. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.